I made like 5K in a night from the first night that I made my OnlyFans, and that's just...
Lima manu US.
Aye. Kitty, kitty! I'm blushing. Whānau mai au ki tētahi taone iti ki te tae tokerau ko Kai Taia, tira. Ki hohi pera o Kai Taia. No, but I'm from Hirekino. Yeiha. And then ka hunuku toku whānau ki Tāmaki Makaurau.
Papa wana tau Māori and went to Riwa,
Yeah. You know, well, actually, it's because there was only one school up north and it was Diwa. But my dad had a bit of a run-in with...
Don't say that. Ka hunuku mai koutou ki Tāmaki Makaurau ki...
Ai.
Te kura kaupapa Māori aroe o...
A Mangere 275. Yeah.
I haere hoki koe ki... Waiora.
Waiora, yes. And actually, it was pretty hard transition because going to a kura kaupapa, full immersion Te Reo Māori, you learn everything in Te Reo Māori, you learn Te Reo Pākehā and Te Reo Māori. I literally needed a like translator next to me to like explain pāngara in Māori to me. Great experience. I don't regret going to Māori. It was definitely a great decision that I made. On my report cards, they put that I was the only 5-year-old who knew how to start a song on any note guitar.
Okay,
Paul,
give me a E.
E.
E note on the cat. Go, E.
Nah, I need to hear it, bro.
What?
Like, of the guitars playing.
What's this
note?
note?
No. It's a C.
No, mate.
That's a C. Mm.
Is it actually?
No, I don't know.
Oh, okay. Did you find that when you guys started Angitu and doing all the creative side, it was a good shift after I whakamoia mai mua? Yeah, let's do it. Why'd you break up? Nah.
Because Miriam had kids now. Fun fact, te whānau Wihongi, nui rawa I roto I te ao moromona.
Oh, so kare anō koe kia moia tētahi tāne?
Oh.
He moromona.
Oh. I mean, ka whai taku whānau I te rahuarahi engari anō maki. Whakapaingia ngā kai. I mean...
Wait, where's the other pretty that was here?
Shut up. There was no other plate.
Pai te rawai, if you're a foodie. We were just warming all of that up so we can get to the OnlyFans. Because kare anō ai kia utua, because, whoa, e ia te utu.
Rua te kau mā iwa, iwa.
Toru te kau tāra?
Ai,
Oh,
US
that's all right.
tāra too.
Toru te kau US dollars? Ki te mātaki I tō OnlyFans?
Ai.
So, hea te take I toro atu koe ki te rā momo?
I'll be honest.
Hey, not mushy there.
Ultimately, I did it firstly because I wanted to see how many people were nosy. I was surprised at the amount of wahine on there, eh?
Like kaitengiru or
I think it's actually like, yeah, they're nosy.
Oh, yeah. Pirangi hoki ki te kōrero ki o rātou hoa.
I made like 5K in a night from the first night that I made my OnlyFans, and that's just...
Lima manu US.
Aye. And there was literally nothing on my page, like, nothing on the... But because people were nosy, and I knew it was going to happen, that's why I did it, eh? I te wā, ka whakaharo te tangata e mahi ana koe I te OnlyFans, ko te whakaharo tuatahi, ko te mahi ai.
Ai.
O ko te tākaro ki a koe anō.
How tō reitaki, you going to stay on there to an X amount of cash? Or you're just going to do it till people watch this and know that you're just scamming them?
Fuck, that's probably what's going to happen, eh?
Ko ki te koe I etahi kai mā takitaki, eh, o tō OnlyFans.
Ai.
E ngā kau nui ana etahi.
Tino.
Ne.
Ki te wahine nui.
Hea te take kāre mātou I te tino mōhio ki e rā momo meka.
I reckon he momo haka mā tēnei, pērā I te tangata, I te takatāpui, tērā pia he kai tākaro whutuporo ia. Ka kore rawa ia, e korero ki te motu, e aroha nui ana ki ngā tāne. You know? He pērā hoki ki au, te tangata aroha ki te kōtiro nui. Don't let me show all the screenshots. Nah.
Oh, no.
Especially those Te Arawa ones, eh?
And that's all I needed. It's like,
Yeah, I won't name those. We won't go there.
Yao kōrero ki ngā wahine nui, you know? The sisters, the big sisters.
The big sissy girls, I shared on my Instagram. It's about not giving the You could be skinny, you could be fat, you can look however. There's always going to be someone that hates on you, that judges you, that projects their own insecurities onto you. The people that matter, they'll be there. They'll be there to tautoko you no matter what you choose to do in life. And the rest.
Big is beautiful. Hairspray.
Kia ora.
Yeah. What's your wata? That one?
No, huraina.
Huraina. Can you play that song as you exit from this? Huraina. Huraina.